Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. Well, Polygon broke through the channel to the upside yesterday, and we even took out the wave 1 high. Well, that is a good sign for the bulls. It went higher than I anticipated. Yeah, I would have thought that yes, further upside is possible, as I said in the last video, but that we might be constrained by $1.05. However, Bitcoin started to move. Some other coins started to move, and that gave MATIC a push. The signal is, of course, due to this now quite bullish. So we want to talk about what kind of structure this here could be, because it cannot be any more the 5-wave move that I indicated on the chart, because in this wave pattern here, wave 3 would be the shortest one. But we can double check that. We can just double check that. Maybe I'm wrong. No, I think I'm wrong. Still too early in the morning. So it might just be a very long wave 5. But we take a look at that. Overall, as you know, we have chosen MATIC for a reason, because it is, and I have said it many, many times in, I think, pretty much in every video so far, that MATIC is one of the best charts out there. And it plays out the card now. Yeah, it waited until wave 5, but it seems to be playing out its cards now. And yeah, as I said, it's one of the best charts out there, and there are not too many high quality charts out there at the moment, at least not short term. There are many good long-term charts, and I must be honest, a lot of crypto charts look really good on the weekly, or not say a lot, but quite a few look very good on the weekly, whereas here sort of on the hourly or the daily chart, they are struggling with the latest movements that occurred since the June low. But Polygon MATIC is pushing through and yeah, has broken out. So let's take a look at what it means. What I'm doing here, I also talk about. So overall, yeah, I still see this here as wave 1. Now, I mean, I would be surprised, and I'm honestly saying I would be surprised if wave 2 wasn't in yet, because this here now looks good. Yeah, and I said it yesterday already, I think, in the video, but I also mentioned it on Telegram, that the structure from that low here, so the structure from the September low, leaves a lot to be desired, yeah, in terms of a good structure with bullish outlook. Now, maybe MATIC is reading the feed of my Telegram, yeah, because it did deliver, yeah, because yesterday when the wave 5 had ended here, yeah, I mean, I said to you, further upside absolutely still possible, because there was no reversal signal yet. So yesterday the wave 5 was here, yeah, but I said it's not the ideal length that you would want to see for a wave 5. It's a bit too short, doesn't really give us the bullish outlook we need, but primary expectation is that we are already in a breakout. Now, it did move up, and I said next key resistance would be $1.05, which is this high of the wave 1 here, but it just broke through. And that is, and honestly, these are good signs for the bulls, because whenever it happens that coins just run through resistance like this, like a knife through butter, it is a really, really good sign, yeah. So yeah, we are, in my opinion, in the wave 3 at the moment, and this is just confirmed by the development here. Alternative wave 2, still a possibility. It would have to be an overshooting wave B, what we're doing here, and would then come down in wave C. In wave C of 2, and that all depends on if this support level is going to hold. As I mentioned in yesterday's video, I will have to move this support level now higher, because if the wave 1 goes higher, then this wave 2 box will move higher as well. So, but yeah, primary expectation remains that wave 1, of 3 is on the way. I'm going to take profits this morning. I'm going to tell you that. Yeah, I took profits of MATIC already. I think at the time here at 95 cents or $1 or something. I need to check. I always post that on Telegram and Discord, but I will take some more profits. Can it still go higher? Of course, but it's now completely overheated. I'm waiting for that wave 2 setback. But yeah, no, looking good. Patience always pays off, you know. And what else do I want to say? Well, let's just double check, because again, it's a bit too early in the morning, but I just want to rule out that wave 3 is the shortest wave. How to do that? We take the length of the wave 1, and then we compare to the wave 3 length, and okay, you can see that wave 3 is longer than wave 1, therefore it's not a problem that wave 5 is the longest one, so it's all looking good. And in this wave 5, when it's now finished, yeah, after wave 5 of 1, I would expect a setback in this wave 2, and the target for this would be, at the moment, the area between 79 cents and 92 cents. Okay, so and from here I would then expect a move to the upside. This is again where I will scale in again. Yeah, can it go higher? Yes, of course, but I'd be surprised if it just keeps pushing. I mean, unlikely things happen all the time, don't get me wrong, and you know, you can ride the trend until the end. I take some partial profits now again, still leave something of course in the trade, because I believe that we are in a long-term uptrend for MATIC, and that we are in this wave 3 that could take us to $1.70 to $1.80. And if we take a look at the indicators, you can actually see that we are now even overbought on the daily. So we were overbought already here. Yes, and it shows we were at 80 at the time on the MACD, no, on the RSI, at 80. We're now at 75, so we're pretty close. And we see if it happens, well, at the moment, it shows a bearish divergence, yeah, which means we had a higher high on the indicator, but a lower high, no, sorry, a higher high on the price and a lower high on the indicator. That is always sort of a first warning. This doesn't mean that it needs to go down now, but it just means, okay, you know, look at it, you know, keep watching. And here on the MACD, we've had a massive push to the upside. I think there will be some profit taking going on, but the whole market is pushing up at the moment a little bit, and at the moment there is no reversal signal. I can only repeat that as well. And just because I take some partial profits doesn't mean you need to take some as well. But it paid off quite nicely for Quant when it was pushing like crazy. Yeah, and people was like, oh, now it will go higher and it will go higher. And it did go a bit higher, but now it's below it, right? So quite pleased with that. And this is also looking good. Now, at the moment, yeah, looking at this, for this fifth wave, at the moment we have 3 waves up in wave 5, yeah, and that's not a problem, because all of this here, if I count that as a leading diagonal, I can count all these subwaves waves as a 3-wave structure. So ABC, ABC, you know, and this could be an ABC as well. So it might be exhausted. There might be one more push, as I said, especially if I zoom into the lower level degree here. So if we have an A, B, C, then the C wave at the moment has only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So yeah, I think there could be really one more push. What we're doing here is just short-term sideways consolidation, but this is a bit too early to confirm that. But yeah, short-term could be, you know, like a bull flag, and that could push up once more higher. And to be honest, if we take a look at that and take here the length, so basically A, B, C, yeah, and then you draw the waves within here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so one more push, and target wave 1 length, adding it to a possible wave 4 low. Let's see, could take us to 118, 119, yeah. But the way that MATIC pumped, I wouldn't be surprised to go a bit higher. We'll see. But this is really the last leg of the last leg, I think. You never know, but I think. And we should really, no, we've retraced already enough, yeah, to the 23.6% FIB level in a wave 4. So yeah, it's done what it needs to do. It's again, it's just one of the best charts out there at the moment. Okay, and that's my update about Polygon MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.